For today, I have a approximately 30-year-old Porter Cable Model 333 random orbit sander. And if you were watching last fall on the video where I was starting to sand on that Chevy pickup truck, refinishing the roof, this whole pad, the rubber had rotted away, and when I went to use it, the sandpaper stood where it stood, and the tool puked out all the foam that's in here. It's completely rotted away. So let's see if this really is a real do-it-yourself project. I have a replacement. They come in the 5-hole, and I think 8-hole is the newer ones. I still got the 5-hole because this is the one that I was sure was going to fit the tool. And this one happens to be 5-inch. So I looked up the part that was suitable for it. Let's see if it actually fits. And that's the original Porter Cable part. I already blew mine out with air, but if you didn't, now would be a good time. Get all that old sanding dust out of there. Get that one started. And this is the hook and loop. It's not the one where you have to glue the pads on or stick them. Wow. Something that actually fits. There's only one way to be sure. Yep. Clears everything it needs to clear. I hereby declare that sanding pad Wildwood certified. Thanks for watching.